By 1942, the war on the Eastern Front had turned brutal.
Hitler set his sights on one city, Stalingrad.
Germany believed victory was within reach.
The city was turned into rubble from the air.
Stalingrad became a graveyard of concrete and steel.
Civilians were trapped in the chaos.
The Red Army prepared for a fight to the death.
Every room became a battlefield. Progress came at a terrible cost. Snipers turned ruins into killing zones.
The battle never truly stopped.
This was war, reduced to survival.
Armor lost its advantage.
Reinforcements arrived at night.
The wounded filled the basements. Winter arrived as an enemy of its own.
The Sixth Army was unprepared.
A trap was being prepared.
The Red Army struck from the flanks. The Red Army struck from the flanks.
Escape was no longer possible. Resupply from the air collapsed!
Hunger became a weapon.
The ring tightened!
Wir müssen uns zurückziehen. Das kommt nicht in Frage. Command refused retreat. Mein Führer, die Linie ist durchbrochen.
Halten Sie die Stellung!
Hitler ordered them to hold.
The Red Army closed in! The Red Army closed in!
Defeat was inevitable. The tide had turned.
In February 1943, the Sixth Army surrendered.
An entire army was captured!
The cost was unimaginable.
Nothing remained untouched. Victory came at a terrible price. Germany would never recover. The momentum had shifted.
A city destroyed. A war changed.
Stalingrad became a symbol. Silence returned to the city. The Red Army stood victorious.
The impossible had happened.
A battle that broke Nazi Germany.
The war would never be the same.
From this moment, Germany was on the defensive.
Stalingrad marked the beginning of the end. History had changed direction. Hope rose from devastation.
This was not just a battle. It was the moment the war turned.